a knife from a railroad spike, a hammer, a few anvils, and this very hot forge behind us. Please join us. We welcome you to this episode. Thank you. Check out this gas forge he has. It's hot. We got 3 railroad spikes in there right now. Yep. My first time hitting hot metal. So what we're trying to do is draw the spike out to get some length before we start to form the handle or the blade. I hope you guys are having as much fun as we are. This is really a blast. I'm gonna set up a forge at my shed and do this as well. What am I talking about? I'm gonna make a forge too.
Some type of hold down for it. Right. Because it just jackhammered me up now. It's
We are cooling the blade, not quenching the blade. Have the basic shape. Now we're gonna grind it down. It's been a lot of fun, guys. I wish you were here with me. Well, you are with me. You are with me through this video. We came down to spend time with Cory from It With Biskit, and I truly, truly appreciate everything that you've done for us today. You showed us how to forge a knife, shape it, and do the basic sharpening in just an afternoon. It's amazing. It really is great. This is my first time forging a knife. It's fantastic. I want to thank Cory. I said that. I want to thank Gary, the bearded woodworker. I'll put links to both these gentlemen's channels in the description below, and probably a couple of bubbles above our head. Thank you so much for joining us, and peace out, brothers. Peace out.